Guys, for decades our robotic emissaries have explored the surface of Mars, sending back images of a world both familiar and strange. These mechanical pioneers have traversed the dusty plains, climbed rocky hills, and delved into the mysteries of the Martian landscape, revealing a planet that is both a mirror and a mystery to our own Earth. We have marveled at the towering heights of Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in our solar system, a colossal shield volcano that stands nearly 22 kilometers high, dwarfing any mountain on Earth. Its sheer size and scale are a testament to the volcanic activity that once shaped the Martian surface and traced the vast canyons of Valles Marineris, a scar upon the Martian surface so grand it dwarfs our own Grand Canyon. Stretching over 4,000 kilometers long, 200 kilometers wide, and up to 7 kilometers deep, Valles Marineris is a geological wonder that speaks to the dynamic and tumultuous history of Mars. And yet, for all our exploration, Mars continues to hold surprises. Its surface, marked by ancient riverbeds, towering volcanoes, and deep canyons, still hides secrets beneath its rusty soil, waiting to be discovered by the next generation of explorers. Recently, a team of scientists using data from several Mars orbiters stumbled upon a secret hiding in plain sight, a giant volcano, long extinct but no less impressive for its age. This discovery was made possible by the advanced technology aboard these orbiters, which can peer through the dust and reveal the hidden features of the Martian landscape. This volcano, dubbed Noctis Mons, or Mountain of the Night, lies near the Martian equator, a silent sentinel in a region known as Noctis Labyrinthus, the Labyrinth of Night. This area is a complex network of deep valleys and high plateaus, a labyrinthine landscape that has intrigued scientists for decades. Noctis Mons is not as tall as Olympus Mons, but its discovery reminds us that Mars still holds secrets, waiting to be uncovered. Standing at about 7 kilometers high, Noctis Mons is a significant geological feature that adds to our understanding of the volcanic history of Mars. Its location, size, and potential for harboring remnants of Mars' watery past make it a prime target for future exploration. Scientists believe that the volcanic activity that created Noctis Mons may have also created conditions suitable for liquid water, making it an intriguing site for the search for past life on Mars. A place where we might just find answers to some of our most fundamental questions about the red planet and the possibility of life beyond Earth. The discovery of Noctis Mons opens up new avenues for research, as scientists seek to understand the planet's geological history and its potential to support life. The discovery of Noctis Mons was a testament to the power of remote sensing, the art of seeing the unseen. By using sophisticated instruments to analyze the Martian surface from orbit, scientists can uncover features that would be impossible to detect from the ground. By carefully analyzing data from multiple spacecraft, each with its own strengths and limitations, scientists were able to piece together the story of this hidden giant, a story that had been lying dormant for billions of years. This collaborative effort highlights the importance of international cooperation in space exploration. As we continue to explore Mars, we are reminded that every discovery, no matter how small, brings us one step closer to understanding the red planet and our place in the universe. The story of Noctis Mons is just one chapter in the ongoing saga of Mars exploration, a saga that promises to reveal even more wonders in the years to come. Noctis Mons is an impressive geological formation, even by Martian standards. This ancient volcano, located in the Tharsis region, is a testament to the dynamic and violent geological history of Mars. Its name, which translates to Night Mountain, evokes the mystery and grandeur of this colossal structure. It measures roughly 250 kilometers in diameter, rivaling the scale of some of the larger Tharsis volcanoes, such as Ascrius Mons and Pavonis Mons. The sheer size of Noctis Mons is a reminder of the immense volcanic activity that once dominated this region of Mars. Though its eroded state speaks to its age and a long history of activity, the weathering processes that have shaped Noctis Mons over millions of years have also revealed layers of geological history. These layers provide scientists with valuable insights into the volcanic and climatic history of Mars. While its summit doesn't reach the dizzying heights of Olympus Mons, it still rises an impressive 9 kilometers above the surrounding plains, making it one of the tallest volcanoes on Mars. This elevation is a testament to the powerful forces that shaped this region long ago, forces that were capable of creating such monumental structures. The surrounding landscape of Noctis Mons is equally fascinating. The plains that stretch out from its base are dotted with smaller volcanic features and ancient lava flows, painting a picture of a once active volcanic field. These features are a testament to the dynamic geological processes that have shaped Mars over billions of years. The volcano's surface is a tapestry of volcanic features, a testament to its long and complex history. From solidified lava flows to volcanic ash deposits, each feature tells a story of a different era in the volcano's life. Elevated mesas, remnants of ancient lava flows, stand like sentinels, their flat tops eroded by wind and time. These mesas are not just geological formations. They are records of the planet's past, offering clues about the environmental conditions that once prevailed on Mars. A network of valleys cuts through the flanks of the volcano, evidence of the erosive power of ancient Martian rivers or perhaps even glaciers. These valleys suggest that liquid water, or at least ice, once played a significant role in shaping the Martian landscape. At the heart of Noctis Mons lies a large, eroded depression, the remnant of a caldera, a testament to the volcano's violent past. This caldera, formed by the collapse of the volcano's summit after massive eruptions, is a window into the heart of this ancient giant. This caldera, formed by the collapse of the volcano's summit after massive eruptions, is a window into the heart of this ancient giant. The caldera's walls expose layers of volcanic rock that can reveal the sequence of eruptions and the nature of the volcanic activity that created Noctis Mons. It is here, in the depths of this caldera, that scientists believe we might find the best preserved evidence of the volcano's history, including clues about the types of eruptions that occurred and the composition of the magma that fed the volcano, a history that could hold clues to the past habitability of Mars. By studying Noctis Mons, scientists hope to uncover secrets about the planet's volcanic past and its potential to have supported life. The story of Noctis Mons is not just a tale of fire and lava, but also one of water, ice, and the possibility of life on the red planet. One of the most intriguing aspects of Noctis Mons is the evidence suggesting the presence of glacier ice remnants near its base. This evidence comes in the form of features that resemble glacial deposits, as well as the presence of hydrated minerals, which form in the presence of water. These findings are particularly exciting because they suggest that Noctis Mons may have once hosted glaciers, even at its relatively low latitude. On Earth, glaciers play a crucial role in carving out landscapes and transporting rocks and other materials over long distances. The possibility of glaciers on Noctis Mons raises intriguing questions about the Martian climate in the past and whether it might have been more hospitable to life than previously thought. The potential presence of glacier ice also has implications for future human exploration. Water ice is a valuable resource, essential for both life support and for producing rocket fuel. If accessible, the glacier ice near Noctis Mons could serve as a vital resource for future human missions to Mars, making this region an even more attractive target for exploration. The combination of volcanic heat and the potential for water ice makes the Noctis Mons region particularly interesting in the search for life beyond Earth. On Earth, life thrives in environments where these two ingredients are present, such as hydrothermal vents on the ocean floor. These environments provide the energy and chemical building blocks necessary for life as we know it. The heat from volcanic activity and the presence of water create a unique setting where life can potentially flourish, even in the harshest conditions. While we haven't found evidence of life on Mars yet, the search is far from over. Each mission to the Red Planet brings new tools and technologies designed to uncover the secrets hidden beneath its surface. The discovery of Noctis Mons adds to the growing list of locations on the Red Planet that show promise for harboring past or even present life. This region, with its volcanic features and potential water sources, is a prime candidate for future exploration. The potential for liquid water in the past, evidenced by ancient riverbeds and dried lakebeds, suggests that Mars may have once had conditions suitable for life. Combined with the energy provided by volcanic activity, These conditions create a tantalizing possibility that life may have once existed in this region. The geological formations and signs of water erosion further support the idea that Mars was once a more hospitable place. These clues drive scientists to continue their search for evidence of life. And perhaps life still exists, hidden beneath the surface, in underground tunnels or subsurface lakes. The possibility of finding microbial life in these hidden reservoirs is an exciting prospect for astrobiologists. The discovery of Noctis Mons reinforces the importance of continuing our exploration of Mars. Each mission brings us closer to uncovering the mysteries of the red planet. Each new discovery brings us closer to understanding whether we are alone in the universe, a question that has captivated humanity for centuries. The data collected from Mars missions is meticulously analyzed by scientists, providing valuable insights into the planet's history and potential for life. This quest to find life beyond Earth has driven scientific inquiry and exploration for generations. From the early days of astronomy to the sophisticated missions of today, humanity's curiosity about the cosmos remains undiminished. Noctis Mons, with its unique combination of features and potential for harboring life, represents a new frontier in our search for answers. Its volcanic landscape and possible water sources make it a focal point for future missions. As we continue to explore this fascinating region, we move closer to unraveling the mysteries of Mars and, ultimately, our place in the universe. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more wonders.